At a recent workshop, the American Communist Party brought together cadre and reserves to gain basic building experience with hammers, saws, and tape measures, all while getting a little work done. This is part of our dual power initiative, not just organizing people politically, but building practical capacity. We are training workers, aim to create infrastructure, and supply our own enterprises with skilled labor. As blue-collar jobs disappear and communities hollow out, we are doing the opposite. We are rebuilding the industrial backbone of this country from the ground up.